We hit the 2-week mark today with all of these vegetables, almost all of them from Ferry Morse from the last video we posted. So as you can see, the okra 2 out of 6, broccoli 3 out of 6, maybe there's another one coming up, cucumber 2 out of 6, cantaloupe 0 out of 6. And the okra says days to germination 12 to 14. So they should be up by now. Got the right depth. Cucumber 8 to 10. They should be up by now, which is why 2 of them are. Cantaloupe says 7, and there is none up. So not good on Ferry Morse so far. Moving over to our other ones. Pennington organic sweet banana peppers, 0 out of 4. The hot peppers, we got 2 out of 4, and tomatoes 4 out of 4. So that's a good job on the tomatoes. But these guys, I bet you, let's see, 1/4 inch, days to germination, 10 to 12. 10 to 12. Tomatoes, I would bet, are the same. So far, not doing so good. But we're into our 3rd round. We just replanted some seeds. We'll see what happens in 2 weeks.